Welcome all. In this video, we are going to discuss about major landforms. In our previous videos, we have discussed a lot of things about Earth. Our Earth is made up of 29% of land and 71% water. Here you can see more spaces of Earth are covered by water and less space by land. These are the land spaces. The land surface is not uniform everywhere. That means the Earth outer surface, that is the land surface, is not equal or plain everywhere. You can see plateaus are there, some higher lands are there which are called mountains, some basins are there, some curved spaces are there. So there are different types of landforms which are called relief. So the variation in physical features are called relief. What are the main types of physical features? Mountains is one type of physical features, plateau is one type of physical features, valley or river valley is one type of physical features, and desert. And beside this, plains also there. So what is mountain? Mountains are large area of raised land with pointed tips on the top, which are called peaks. So these pointed tips are called peak of the mountain. Their height rise more than 900 meter above sea level. This is sea and this is the height of the mountain, and it may be more than 900 meter. The height of the mountain above sea level is also called altitude. That means this height from the sea of the mountain is called altitude. 50% of Asia is covered with mountains. Some mountains are Himalaya Mountain Asia, these are Himalaya Mountain, Rockies in North America, Andes in South America. Now we will talk about plateaus. Plateau is a high land with flat top. So you can see a plateau here. This is the high land and the top of the plateau is flat. This is flat area and this is the slopey area. Its side have steep slope. That means the side of the plateau are steep. The plateaus are used for mining and rearing of cattle and sheep. Some plateaus are Deccan Plateau of India and Colorado Plateau of North America. So here you can see the Deccan Plateau of India. This is the map of India and Deccan Plateau is present here in this part. Now plains. So what is plain? A plain is flat and low lying area. This is a plain, this is a flat area. So a plain is a flat area. Plains are formed by the action of river over a long period of time. Plains are fertile. These lands are fertile. Fertile means they have lots of nutrition in their soil. Flat lands with more suitable for agriculture, construction of road, buildings, industries, railway and airport. So plains are suitable for agriculture as they are fertile, so they are suitable for agriculture. And we can do or you can construct easily roads, buildings, railway tracks and airport on plains. Some example of plain are northern plain of India. So this part of India is the northern part, which is a plain, Now river valley. River valley are formed by rivers. So you can see there are two mountains and in between two mountains there one river. So this is called river valley. That means two mountains and one river in between. They are densely populated due to fertile soil fit for agriculture. So river valleys are, these areas are densely populated. Densely populated means lots of people live here because from river we get fertile soil which are good for agriculture. That's why lots of people live in front of the or near the river. A river develop loop called meander. So you can see this is the loop developed by a river which is called meander. What is called? Meander. So these loops developed by river are called meanders. River passes through three stages: the upper course, the middle course and the lower course. So there are three stages of river. Suppose there is a river, so this is called upper course, this is called middle course, and the lower part when the river mixed with the ocean are called lower course. This is called middle one. Some examples of river are Ganga Valley River and Brahmaputra Valley River. So now deserts. Deserts are vast of dry open land covered with sand. So here in this video you can see only sand. So the deserts are covered with only sands. The climate is very hot and rainfall is scanty in desert. That means the climate of deserts are very hot, warm, and there is less rainfall in the desertal area. Scanty means little. Little. A desert has little or no vegetation. Vegetation means population of tree. Population of trees. How many trees are there in area is called vegetation. So there are less tree in a desert. A desert has very little and low vegetation. That means no tree is there, or if tree is there, they are in less number. Vegetation and settlements are found around oases. So in deserts, this type area is found where you can see water. This water comes out from the ground. That's why they are called groundwater also. So in this type of area in desert, you can see some vegetation. That means some plants is there. You can see some plants, and here you can find some animals also. An oasis is a place where underground water rises to the surface. So I told you already that oasis is a place where we can find underground water. This is a oasis where we can see underground water, and there are some vegetations. For example, Thar in Asia and Sahara in Africa are deserts. These are the deserts. So what are the examples of desert? Thar and Sahara. So here we are ending our video. Thank you.